Hi everyone. So today I have a mini fabric haul for you, and it's just 3 pieces. The fabric was purchased from Fabrics in Kingston, and I got this on May the 10th. I have 3 items to show you. One is a spandex. This one was sold by the weight per kilogram. So that was about a little under $2 a pound. This was a Challis. I got 3 yards of that. This was under $2 a yard, and this was a knit. I got 2.5 yards, and that was under $3 a yard. So in all, the spandex was about 4 3/4 yards. I got in all about a little over 10 yards of material. So let's have a look at them. Okay, first up is this checkerboard spandex. It's olive and black combination with some speckled white and speckled black. Let me zoom so that you can see the color clearly. Hoping you can see that is olive green and black, speckled white, and some speckled dots black in between. So this is about under 5 yards of spandex. What I'm gonna be doing with that, I don't know, but let me show you the reverse. So the wrong side is just all white. So I'll be adding this one to my stash. So the next one is Challis, and this is 3 yards of Challis. It's zooming again. It's a gray and white variation of grays here, a darker gray, lighter gray, and a sort of zigzag white on the material. So this is the gray Challis, and on the reverse, just a peel off version. Alright, and the last piece is a knit, and this is the knit. It's pink and gray knit, almost tie-dye looking. Zooming clearly to see the pink. It's just the pink in parts, a little brighter in other parts. There's a section of it that is almost white, fully white, and the rest has this pink and gray combination. And the reverse almost looking the same, really, but it's a nice stretchy knit, and have no clue what I'll be doing with these 3 as yet, but they'll all be added to my stash. So hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.